Delve provides sovereign AI analytics for regulated enterprises. It is an autonomous data analyst capable of executing 56 statistical methods directly inside your own network. Data teams face two gaps. While many tools solve the access gap, Delve focuses on the harder challenge, performing the correct analysis autonomously. Generating SQL is simple, but knowing which analytical method the question requires is what truly matters. Regulated industries often cannot use cloud-based AI tools because sensitive data like patient records or transaction history cannot leave their secure environment. This restriction often prevents important questions from being asked at all. Delve is a comprehensive data analysis platform. It works through a 5-step process: asking the question in plain English, routing it to the right method, executing it locally, verifying the results, and providing a clear explanation with the underlying SQL. The system includes 56 built-in analysis tools covering inferential statistics, time series, lifecycle analysis, and risk assessment. The agent automatically selects the right tool for your specific question. These are not just simple prompts. They are robust statistical implementations. For instance, Delve handles censoring correctly in survival analysis, a level of precision that cannot be achieved through prompt engineering alone. Certain analyses are operational obligations rather than mere conveniences. Fairness and drift analysis are critical for compliance, and Delve provides these as standard controls, converting a nice-to-have into a necessity. Sovereignty is built into our architecture. Delve runs entirely within your network, fully air-gap capable, ensuring that no customer data leaves your premises. It is designed to work with your existing database engines securely. Delve operates without needing to hold your credentials. By pointing it at your own MCP server, it can analyze data through that secure connection, effectively removing the biggest obstacle in regulated sales. Trust is foundational. Before providing an answer, Delve runs deterministic self-checks to catch common issues like empty result sets or null aggregates, always acting as an advisory tool that empowers users to verify the findings. Data residency regulations are becoming board-level obligations, creating a unique window of opportunity. Organizations need to adopt AI, but cannot accept the security risks. Delve serves this need where incumbents cannot. We are currently moving forward with pilot programs in sensitive sectors like BFSI and healthcare. Our product is fully packaged for rigorous enterprise security reviews, demonstrating that we are ready for deployment. Delve lets you securely analyze your own data in your own network using plain English. Get the right analysis and the executed SQL every time, backed by an audit trail that proves exactly how the results were achieved.